Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on my position. As some of you guys may know, I did sell some $25 calls for PLTR that were expiring today. Unfortunately, the price of PLTR closed above $25, which basically means that I'm getting assigned. That means that I now have to sell 400 shares of PLTR for $25 a piece, which ends up being about $10,000. I will be cashing out $10,000 come Tuesday when market actually opens, but these are the downsides of selling calls. Fortunately, it wasn't too much out of the money. I mean, I really only lost out on 0.92 cents $400 worth. I mean, $400 shares worth, which is just like another $400, and I've made that plenty of times over selling calls on PLTR over the past couple months since that IPO'd. But these are the downsides to selling calls. If I would have sold, if PLTR would have gone up from yesterday to today to $40 and I had these $25 calls expiring today, I would have lost out on that profit between 25 and $40, which would evidently have been a full 100%, which means that I would have probably made a full, an extra, which total would have been like $20,000. But it was as of right now, just $10,000 because I had to sell 400 shares for $25. But that's basically what the downsides of selling a call is. It's not really, I wouldn't really call it a downside. It's just you're losing out on gains that you could have had. But yeah, like I told you guys, I am getting assigned. I will have to sell 400 shares of PLTR for $25 come Tuesday when the market opens. I will not be keeping this position in Robinhood. There's a business opportunity that I'm going to be putting this money in. I'm not going to be taking this. I'm not going to be putting this money back into Palantir unless I actually make more money off of the other thing that I'm working on. We just wanted to update you guys. Getting assigned $25, 400 shares. And I will be keeping. I do have still 33 shares of PLTR. That's what I'm going to be keeping. Everything else has to be sold Tuesday because I got assigned on those $25 calls that I sold that expired today. See you later.